Hello everyone, I am Bhargavi and recently I came across this video which brought out a study on commercial sanitary pads that are available in the market. According to the study, various harmful chemicals like phthalates and volatile organic compounds have been found in an average sanitary pad available in the market. Chemicals? अरे ये तो मार्केट में मिलने वाली हर चीज में ही होता है, इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है? Well, exposure to chemicals like phthalates and VOCs have been linked to variety of health concerns like endocrine dysfunction, impacts to the heart, dysfunction of the reproductive system, endometriosis, and much more. These chemicals present on the surface of sanitary pads are easily absorbed by the skin and they reach the circulatory system very rapidly, which makes them a big risk factor. The side effects include infertility, diabetes, and endometriosis. For more information on the study, you can find the link in the description. But the main point here is that the study does not provide any solution or alternatives to the sanitary pads that are generally used. Well, we already know that in our country, menstruation is not openly talked about and sanitary pads are something that most women generally use. In that case, when a woman comes to know that the product she needs every month is potentially harming her, she will be scared. I saw majority comments on the video where women were freaked out as they did not know any alternatives to the sanitary pads that they regularly use. So I tried to gather some information on how this situation can be tackled till a safe alternative for sanitary pad is launched. First is menstrual cups. Menstrual cups are made up of medical grade silicone which are completely safe to use. However, some women might be hesitant to use it due to the associated societal fear, but if you're open to it, it is a very good option. Second is cloth pads or reusable pads. These are made up of cotton layers which are encased in a waterproof fabric. They can be washed and reused. They are comfortable, environment friendly and light to carry. This is one of the healthiest alternatives and it also reduces the risk of toxic shock syndrome. Many initiatives in India like Project Bala aim to provide such sustainable sanitary pads to women in India. Their work is commendable. Third is tampons. Tampons can also be used by women who are looking for an alternative to sanitary pads. However, super absorbent tampons should be avoided as they have risk of toxic shock syndrome. People using sanitary pads must follow some measures like changing the pad once in 3 to 4 hours and washing the area frequently with mild soap to avoid the chemicals to absorb in the skin. Also, it's better to avoid products that say extra thin, odor free, etc. as we never know what kind of harmful chemicals are used in those products. Simplicity is better in this case. So one can switch to the alternative products like menstrual cups, tampons, etc. or continue using sanitary pads with hygienic measures to reduce the chemical absorption by the skin. This is completely my viewpoint. Any suggestions would be welcome in the comment section. I'll be happy to pin a helpful suggestion. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.